Hey guys, today wanted to sharpen the blades on this old Scag. It's going to be pretty similar to whatever kind of walk behind you have. You're going to have the 3 shafts coming up from the bottom. I've taken off the top cover so that we can you can see a little better. Basically, this one's 15/16. I'm just using a little Ryobi impact, and basically all you do is undo them. So we're going to take on the screws here, or the nuts. Do each one. Whoop, there goes that one. It's important to remember that there's also, if there's a washer on top, to keep track of that. So the washer went flying, but the nut is still here. All right, once you do that, then you have to get the blades and shafts out. Just take a bucket or something. Like that. Now what I like to do also is make sure that we have, I keep track of middle, left, and right. So simply pull them out. That's the right. The middle fell out. And this one fell out. The other thing to note is, on this model at least, you have spacers or washers acting as spacers in between this point and the deck. So say if you wanted to raise the blades up a little bit, you can take one of the washers off and it sits higher. So most importantly, make sure you keep whatever washers are on top there. So what I'll do, I'll make 3 piles. There's that one. That one. And that one. Now these aren't that bad. I'll do it maybe once a month or once every 2 months whenever I feel like I have time. But I wanted to take a look at them anyway because I'd hit a couple things in the backyard. Anyway, that's the first step. Make sure you keep everything organized. Next we'll head over to the bench and sharpen them. Alright, now that we have the blades off, I actually numbered them 1, 2, and 3. Took a little Sharpie. I don't have a bench grinder, so I'm just going to use this angle grinder. And you don't want to make it too sharp. You know, like you don't want to make it sharp enough like scissors, because then they're just going to get dull quicker and you're going to go through your blade. Plus, good chance for it chipping and things. So get your angle grinder, safety goggles, and let's go. So have it in there. Just trying to make it consistent along the edge there. To the other side. And then sometimes what I like to do, yeah, if there's no burrs on here, but you could just take a file and just nip off those burrs real quick. Let me do these other couple. The other important thing is you only want to go from the one side. You don't want to make it like an arrow, you know. You just want to have the one side sharp and the other side completely flat. So once you're finished with that, these still look pretty good, but once you start seeing some indentations here, see how it's not, if you took a straight edge, you're going to see that it goes in on some areas there. Once you start seeing that more and more, you can just take a nail, put this on here and make sure that you're balanced. You want to have this side just as heavy as this side. So if we had a nail sticking out, which we don't, you can put it there, and then, you know, if it's hanging down this side more, then you can, you know, take a little bit more off of this side. And then you want to keep doing that until they're both evened up as far as weight goes. But these are done. Let's put them back on the mower, and I gotta mow before it rains. Alright, so got these all lined up still. Got them numbered 1, 2, 3, same order. Let's put these bolts back in, put the spacers back on the top. Grab your washer and your nut. Push them up. Put it on enough so they won't fall out. Do this quickly for the other. Obviously, you want to make sure that you have these facing up, little wings. Let's see if we can do this without it falling off the bucket. Ah, I was stupid. All right, let's do the last one. All right, tighten them up. Getting caught up in the cord here. All right, so we should be all set. And that's it. That's how you sharpen the blades, take them off, and put them back on. So I'm gonna get this off the bucket now, put the deck cover on, and get mowing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends.